Today we're going to teach you permutation and combination. Permutation is a set of arrangements with numbers where the order matters. So let's say you got the numbers 6 and 7 and 7 and 6. Those two numbers is different because one is 6 in the front and one is 7 in the front. But whereas combination, 7 and 6 and 6 and 7 is the same thing because the order does not matter. Rephrase it. So 5 friends, Bob, John, James, Mia and Sebastian, went to a carnival and they found a game where you have to fill all rocks, pebbles, rice grains and sand into a specific jar, and only 2 people can play at the same time. So the combination part of this story is that no matter if you pick Bob first, then John to fill up the slots, or John first or Bob first, the people that's playing is still the same. So let's say like 6, 7 and 7, 6, as in Bob, John and John, Bob. So they'll tell you to pick one person, then the second. So if you pick Bob first, then John, or John first, then Bob, it wouldn't matter because both of them will play the same game at the same time anyways. But whereas the jar is that you have to put the bigger objects first, so the rocks first. So that has to be the first slot. It cannot be in the last slot, because if you put it in the last slot and if you put the sand first, there will be no space for the rocks to be put in. But if you put the rocks first, the sand can fill up the cracks, and the pebbles, then the rice grains. So everything can fit in one jar. So after you know how it can fit, can you tell me the specific order of materials to put in order for everything to fit?
Like biggest to smallest?
Yes.
Like rocks, then pebble,
Yeah.
rice grain and sand.
Yeah. So they all fit into each other's like gaps in between each material. So everything can fit in one jar.
Right.
So